Is there no way we can get rid of him?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because I hate him.
Cuddle up a little closer, lovey mine.
Show me a beautiful view.
Wah, 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 wah.
I've been having
excuse me, sir.
You can't touch this.
阿珍爱上了阿强，在一个有星星的夜晚。
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm. Wait. Everybody,
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I don't even wanna take nap.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
And here he is again. Here he is again. That's astonishing. It's absolutely world class.
Is my hair wet? A little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
Relax and take notes while I take totes of the marijuana smoke. Throw you in a choke, gun smoke. Biggie smoke.
teeny weeny, shriveled little short dick man. Don't want.
When someone says, it's just a dog, but that dog is your whole world.
Ride till I can't no more. Hat down, cross town, living like a rock star. Spend a lot of money on my brand new gear.
Shark do baby shark do baby shark do baby shark.
And then another.
Mom brought home an imposter from TJ Maxx.
You listen to me. When I wake early morning, take me out to pee. Tell me who gave you permission to sleep. I am your puppy. You listen to me.
Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see this our town of Halloween. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, pumpkin scream.
Pink punch bug, no punch back. No punch back. No punch back. Pink punch bug, no punch back. No punch back. No punch back.
3.
1, 2, 3.
Breaking all the rules. Yes, you are. But I can't resist because you're my babies. Yes, you are. You're my babies. Okay, last one. That's cute. Mia, don't be naughty. Mia, she's like in the place. Mia, slowly inching herself. Okay, now Milo needs. Good job.